Working with members of our community is so important as we do the work to support our students here at Edgewood Elementary School. I'm Erica Jones and I am the Community School Specialist.
We are one of the community partners here at Edgewood Elementary School. Part of our organization is about empowering our families. And one of those programs is Childhood Hunger Initiative Power Packs, where we come to Edgewood Elementary School every other week and we pack food for children and youth to take home on the weekend and over holidays.